Righto folks, now for this tune you're going to need to detune your guitar down a whole step, so 2 frets worth, right? So goes down to, I'm using the drop pedal for this because it's just super easy, right? So you should have this. And I'm also using the Donner Morpher, which is a really inexpensive pedal again. Little small form factor, but they're really solid little things. And it sounds like this. Does that nicely, and you don't need a lot of finesse for this one. And the 3 modes are very subtly different, but I like this one the best. And you're going to need a bit of chorus. I'm using Cheap and Cheerful MXR chorus. Brilliant little pedal. For that middle section. Right, so the intro then goes like this. You get the idea, don't you? But there's a subtle difference. So starting on the 2nd fret on the A, all power chords here, you're going to play a little whack as you move to the 6th fret. Okay? Another whack as you move down to the 4th fret on the low E this time. And then there's some open strings as you move down to the B again. So slowly. So don't worry too much about it. Essentially, you're playing 4 chords. Okay, and I use just my 1st and 4th finger there. You could use your 1st and 3rd. Up to you. So that's what you're going for. But then as you get a bit better at it, depending on your level, you know, you want to aim for it to be quite strummy, and then you're going to be muting with your whole hand as you move between the different chords. Notice my hand's just, you know, strumming away there. Then you're going to engage the distortion after you've played it a couple of times around, like this. So you go on there, right? Then it changes and you start doing slides for the first part. Okay, you hear that really subtly. Right, slower again, right? You do 3 on the B. Slide up to the 6th, right? And then you play another 2 at the 6th, then open. Then you go to the 4th fret again. Little whack. And then 2 more on the 4th fret on the next string up, okay? So again. Whoops. Then you're going to play this. Back into the next riff, right? So you're going to play the F sharp, 2nd fret. Well, it's not F sharp now, whatever we're tuned to. And you're going to play that twice. And then you go to the, I'm going to call it the E, right, open E. Then you go up to the 4th fret again. Okay, then you're going to go between the E, or the open, whatever, and the 4th fret. 3 times. So that is down, 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 up, down, up. Then you go to the 4th fret and play. Okay, like that. So you play that 3 times and then you go. And then you're back in. Which is rad. So now you're going to be putting your chorus on. Nice and clean with a bit of palm muting. And then you put your distortion on and play. And repeat that around. So again. So you try and keep the 4th fret pulsing away while you let that ring out. And basically what you're playing there is 4, 6, 6, and then the rest are open. But when you put the distortion on, you're going to play 16th notes. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. But you switch off the distortion and then you play one more. Okay, slowly. And there's this little lick which is sort of a bit of a solo where he plays. Essentially, I mean, if you care, you're going to go 8 to 9, down to the 7th fret. It's pretty chromatic then, 7, 8. Okay, I'm just going up 1 fret each time. So 13, 14, you also catch the 14th fret on the next string up. Look for the signal for the drummer and then alright, that's it, all done. Hope you enjoyed that one. See you soon.